Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be continuing our explanation on the different data types when we're storing values and variables. In the last video we briefly touched on the 8-bit byte signed byte data type or variable, and we know that from that we can only store very low numbers or very low values from like -128 up into 127. So you might be asking yourself, well, what do we do if we have a value or a number that's higher than 127? And that's what the topic today is. We're going to move on to the next data type which we can use or have available to us. And this one is the short. It's a 16-bit signed. So once again, it has a negative and a positive value. And in order to declare a short, we'll just type short. We'll give it a name. We'll say first short. You can name it anything you wish, but for us, we'll just keep this. And the short's lowest range is -32,768. And that's the lowest you would go when storing a value inside of a short data type or variable type. And we'll just go, I'll show you here, see if we go to 69, it goes and gives us that same error that we got up top. It's lossy conversion. So we'll create another one here, first short. Now that's wrong because you can never declare or redeclare the same name of a variable. So we'll call this a second short. And this one's equal to 32,767. And the same thing applies here. If we go higher or lower than these values, we're going to get an error saying lossy conversion to a type of integer, and you're going to have to work, you won't be able to work with it. And again, if you go over or under, you'll have underflow or overflow, which is always going to produce a very undesired output with your numbers or with the values that you're working with or the results that you're wishing to get back. And so the short, again, we got to know the values in which we're wishing to store in order to know the data type that we're wishing to use. So it's a very simple explanation. When we're doing something below 127, we'll use the byte. When we need a number higher than the 127, we'll move into the short. And that's about it for this video. We'll move on to the next data type in our next video. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, just please subscribe and check out the rest of the channel. If you have any questions or comments about this video or have future ideas for future videos, just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next video.